So with WordPress block themes, you can grab patterns from the WordPress repository and you get patterns within your block theme. They're packaged together. So I want to walk you through the process of getting those patterns into your website, and I'm going to talk to you a little about the global styles so that your branding can match, because when you pull things in that have been created by someone else, it may not match the colors and fonts and so on. So that's what today is all about. Let's dive in. Here we are at WordPress.org, and this is a place where you can learn a lot about full site editing and blogs, and you can also grab resources like themes and patterns, plugins, so on. So today I wanted to show you patterns. Patterns are layouts that have been submitted by people, and they're here ready for you to grab for free and use on your own site. They are basically a set of blocks that you can modify once you've placed them into your blog post or page. So let's grab this one here, copy, and then I'm just going to paste it into my post. And we see it here with certain color of button background and then the text color. But let's say I am wanting to apply different global styles. So I'm just going to update this and show you how that works. So the first thing is to go back to your dashboard and then get into the editor. And you're going to want to click within the template, and then you can see here global styles. And so with the Frost block theme that's been applied to this site, there's 5 colors that comes with it. So the palette is there available, but you can also add custom colors. So say I wanted a red. So I'm going to have that now. If I save that, I'm going to have it available to apply to the buttons. So I want, I want the text color to be white, and I want the background color to be red. So then I save that, and let's go take a look. So within the post, if all goes well, the button should be styled correctly. So there you have it. The background is red and the text is white. So that's grabbing patterns from the directory, but you can get patterns packaged with your theme as well. So let's take a look at that next. So if I click on this button here and click on Browse All, then I can see the Patterns tab, and here they are available to scroll through, and you've got this little preview, and then you can choose what you like. So let's go over to this one here. It's a call to action that I like, and there you have it. So let's just say that it happens to not be exactly what I want. So if I click on the document overview, then I can see each of the elements here. So if I wanted to find it, I would click on that, and that happens to be the pattern from the WordPress directory. But then next here, this entire thing here that's wrapped with group is the pattern from the Frost pattern library. So group is just grouping the different blocks that make up this pattern. So you've got different features that come with group. For instance, over here on the right, you can play around with the inner blocks when you use group. So just to show you here, I don't have that available to me with the media and text, so that's why it's wider. But then here for groups, I can say make the contents of whatever's in that group smaller. So I could even say, I don't know, maybe 600 pixels wide. And this group here is grouping these blocks here. So we've got this call to action and it's an H2. So let's just say we wanted this text here to be uppercase. So we would go over to the right and under letter casing, we would apply uppercase. So if I were to insert this pattern again, then it wouldn't be uppercase. It's just this one instance that has uppercase. So if I go here and I browse all and I go into patterns and I find it again, it's a different instance. So it is as it was originally. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. In the comments below, just let me know what you're struggling with, and I'll see you there.